Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2011 Lamborghini Gallardo LP570-4 Performante. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 570 horsepower V10 engine and a 6-speed e-gear transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Bianco Monocerus exterior color and Alcantara with carbon fiber interior and white contrast stitching throughout. This Performante is in very good condition and comes well appointed, including navigation, rear camera, carbon fiber interior trim, branding package, carbon fiber side mirrors, carbon fiber side splitters, carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber large rear wing, 19-inch anthracite painted Superleggera wheels, green calipers, and much more.